my YouTube channel. So as you know, I have restored this wall fan, but suddenly a problem occurred. That one is this, means the threaded holding part is broken. So in this video I am going to restore that part. So at first let me disassemble the fan, then I will show you what happened. So first let's disassemble the fan. Actually this work was done by the previous mechanic who restored the fan. After that he applied Fevicol. So that problem was fixed, but now unfortunately I broke that thing again. That's why I have to restore the part again. Keep them at the side part. Now just see, the threaded part from here is broken. So I have to fix this part here again, and I will use, here I will also use Fevicol. Shaft is okay, motor is okay, everything is okay here, and blade needs to be adjusted, so I will adjust the blade. Now I will show you how to adjust the blades. First let's disassemble the motor. Okay. It's too much hot today. Always keep the screws at the safe part. Okay. Otherwise, if you lose the screw, then you will face problem while assembling the fan. As the motor part is okay, and I have installed this oscillating thing, gearbox is okay. Electrician lost the screw. That's why I have to use another screw. The motor is okay, so first let's check the motor first. The motor is okay. Let's keep the motor at side. Now just at first I'll also disassemble this thing. Okay, because if you and this part needs to be sanded. Let me sand this part, I will come. You have to sand this part and this as previously Fevicol was applied. Okay. Here are the other things. Everything is okay except this part. So let's do the work. After that I will show you what I have done. Now just sand this part well. Okay, because it was like in this manner, but you have to make the hole. It was like in this manner, but you have to make the hole slightly bigger to insert this up to the threaded part. Okay. Then if you try just I have put the thing in this manner and I have applied Fevicol, then that thing will not do much thing. After 1 or 2 month usage, this thing will break again. Then you have to apply more effort. So use new sandpaper to increase the hole slightly. Like this, sand the part. Properly. Also you can do this after doing this, as you can see, this part was restored previously. I have also sanded this part. So now if I just put this, shove this thing in this way, as you can see, it is going inside very easily. But this much is not enough. It's nothing, just nothing. So I will rotate this part just to put it more in, slightly more inside. It may go slightly more, but okay, up to this much is okay. So after doing this work, you have to apply Fevikwik. Okay, you have to apply Fevikwik here, here, here. After applying Fevikwik, you have to use something dust type. I will use salt, means black salt I will use here. So just do the work, let me do the work, and later I will show you what to do. Just I have to just take out the fabric. So this is the Fevikwik, as you can see. Now the things side, at the side, those things are having threaded part. Because if threaded in Fevikwik is gone in threaded part, then no use of this thing. You have to replace it because it will ruin the thread part. Remove the cap safely and apply Fevikwik. If you apply Fevikwik in one part, then it will automatically spread from one part to another. Okay, and this is the only trick to restore or repair these things. Okay, so yes, the thing is now done. Let it be dry. Later I will show you. So now the thing become dry. As you can see, it is pretty hard to take it out, and it is kept inside. And as you can say, you can also say that it is welded, DIY welding. So now let's assemble the fan and let's see what will happen. And first let me show you the guards after assembling the thing. I am trying to hear the noise, if you hear this cracking noise or not. So here is no cracking noise, and it is now fitted tightly and properly. Now just take it out. And apply a bit more, because I think this much Fevikwik is nothing just for this fan. So I have checked the motor. Let's assemble the motor. This is now completely dry and it is now become easier. Let's use this. Let's check the performance. The cover is going here and there. So just bring it back. So let's install the fan. Actually, I am making the time less because if it becomes long video, YouTube will not allow me upload that video because my channel is not monetized till now. I am trying to make the video smaller. So it is now tightened completely. Now let's check the performance. Let me install the fan. I will show you the performance there. This is the fan after installation. Let's check the performance.